Got Mr. Green Jeans over there in the background. Went for a quick drive and hit the throttle a little bit, but didn't hold it wide open at all. Probably hit maybe 3/4 of throttle, and it was fun. I can't wait to get this thing to the dyno. I got to get my wideband working and get that wideband gauge mounted and stuff too. So got to get some brakes on it before I really go play with it. But it was kind of fun to throw around the corners with the big tires and step on the gas just a little bit. It's still not a perfect tune. It still has a little trouble with idle. That very first initial tip in, I got to get that richened up a little bit. And then when I let off of the throttle and come back to idle, it's a little slow to find its actual idle speed. So got to get that figured out, but hopefully we can get a dyno session here pretty soon, and I'll let you guys watch it real quick. So that's it for today. Just a little quick drive. Um, Got a lot more parts to install on this thing, and dyno sessions to come so that we can see just how much power it's making. It's definitely not going to be a max power build by any means, but enough to be fun and dangerous on Hot Rod Power Tour. So I'm really looking forward to driving this thing on long haul this year. And the countdown is still going, man. We got to get a lot of work done in a short amount of time. So back at it.